Hi Sagittarius. Today I'm going to do a complete love reading. This is for the month of August. These are general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys. Then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Let's start the reading. And if you want to manifest your specific person back or your ex back, I'm here to guide you. If you want to take personal session, you can reach out to me. So let's start the reading. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising, and Venus. First, we will see what is happening in your love life. Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and Ten of Cups under the deck. Definitely some obstacles are there. You both are juggling and one person is juggling because of instability in this relationship. And for some financial issues also involved. Either you haven't settled it or your person haven't settled it. Family issues also involved for some. Definitely right now you both a bit feeling challenging to be in this relationship. So let's clarify these cards. Nine of Pentacles is clarified by Queen of Swords. Seven of Wands is clarified by Ace of Wands. Two of Pentacles is clarified by King of Wands under the deck Judgment. So here decision making will be the key. I'm seeing lots of passion between you guys, but no clarity. And one person want to make a decision. They want to be logical. But one person is still juggling. And some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and lots of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So right now, one person is waiting for to take a decision. So let's see your person current feelings and the true intentions towards you. And your person present energy is Six of Cups. Your person is obsessively thinking about you, the devil, Seven of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups, and their present energy is Six of Cups, which means they're emotionally connected to you. Yeah, right now, some of you are in no contact. If you are in contact, that communication would be on and off. Okay. Your person is obsessively thinking about you. They do love you. Definitely, they have very, very, very strong emotions towards you. Right now, they're slow, okay, but they do miss you a lot. They're thinking about communication. See, they're being logical also, but more than logical, they are very emotional here. They can't stop thinking about you. even though they have other option, they thinking about you only. Chariot is also like this way or that way, which means your person already decided to come towards you, but they are slow. Again, some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy, especially Capricorn, and lots of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign. So let's see your current feelings and your intentions towards them, Sagittarius. And your present energy, Ten of Swords. Definitely you're suffering here. You're thinking about new beginning. Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups, and Page of Cups. You still have emotions, but you're thinking about long term stability and commitment. You are expecting communication here, and you have some fears regarding your person, whether they will offer stability or commitment. You are also being logical here. You have a lot of fears, Sagittarius. Because this is not a time pass relationship, so you are taking this relationship very seriously. That's why you're thinking about this person a lot, and you are in deep thinking here. Let's see the next move. And some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. Hierophant, Three of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. Definitely they're going to take action because already they're missing you. They will take a solid action this time. You can expect a solid action from them. They're feeling very drawn to you energetically. I'm seeing a solid action. So let's see what will be the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Three of Cups, Eight of Cups, Temperance, under the deck, Four of Swords. But outcome, what I'm seeing here, some slow moving energy, want to walk away, healing energy. Let's clarify. Six of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Three of Wands, and Hanged Man. So, a lot of confusion, lot of patience is needed because no one have no one has clarity here. This is not ending at the same time. This is not a new beginning. You both definitely they are going to take action, but I'm seeing some stuck energy in the outcome. So you both need to make a decision. You both need to think twice before taking any decision here. Let's see what are the messages for you regarding the situation you are in right now. The Moon, Death, and Nine of Cups. So overthinking. Trust your intuition. Follow your intuition. Don't overthink. And some of you right now you're going through some transformation. For some it could be major. For some it could be minor. And Nine of Cups. It's all about wish fulfillment. Let's see romantic love messages. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Again, uh, if you are with your person, express your love. And some of you, they want to express their love. New love, a new person has stirred your romantic feelings. For some, a new person is going to enter in your life and make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. So always trust action, not words. Action speaks louder than words. So always trust action. And if you want to take action, yes, you can take action and yeah, make the effort. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.